Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometry of first year science and arts. Let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I have already discussed many problems from compound angle, multiple angle, submultiple angle, half angle formula, etc. This is problem class, only problem. So question number 5. Prove that. Question number 5. This is solutions. Okay. Question number 1. Look at this. 1 minus left hand side here. What left hand side? 1 minus 10 square 45 degree minus a divided by 1 plus 10 square 45 degree minus a. Okay, suppose what is formula? 1 minus 10 square theta. Formula 1 minus 10 square theta by 1 plus 10 square theta. What is this? This is formula for sin 2 theta or cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. So this is equal to what? This is theta. This is theta. So cos 2 into theta means 45 degree minus a. This is equal to cos 90 degree minus 2a. So cos 90 minus 2a. Cos 90 degree minus theta. Sin theta. So sin 2a. This is RHS. Okay. This is RHS proved. RHS proved. Now second question. Now question number 2. Left hand side, this is equal to what? This is equal to question number 2. Okay, see question number 2. Now this is question number 2. What is left hand side? Question number 2, left hand side. Question number 2, left hand side. Okay, this is what? Cos a plus sin a divided by cos a minus sin a minus cos a minus sin a divided by cos a plus sin a. So LCM is least common multiplier. So this is cos a minus sin a into cos a plus sin a. Cos a plus sin a. So this is what? Cos a plus sin a whole square minus cos a minus sin a whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. What is 4ab? 4a means cos a, b means sin a. Divided by a minus b, a plus b. This is cos square a minus sin square a. We can write 2 into 2 sin a into cos a. Divided by this is cos 2a. Cos 2a. Okay. This is sin 2a. 2 into sin 2a by cos 2a. This is equal to what? 2 tan 2a. This is RHS. Okay. Question number 2 is over. Now question number 3. What is question number 3? Now question number 3. Question number 3. This is solution of question number 3. Left hand side. What is left hand side? This is question number 3. 1 minus cos 2a plus sin 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a plus sin 2a is equal to 10a. This is question number 3. Left hand side what? 1 minus cos 2a plus sin 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a plus sin 2a. अच्छा 1 minus cos 2a फॉर्मूला कौन अच्छी मन पकड़ पे 1 minus cos 2a 2 sin square है सब फॉर्मूला रे हेले ही नो 1 plus cos 2a फॉर्मूला कौन अच्छी बेटा टी मन पकड़ लो 2 cos square a तो 1 minus cos 2a This is equal to what? 2 sin square A, and this is sin 2A. So 2 sin A into cos A divided by 1 plus cos 2A formula. 2 cos square A, and this is 2 sin A into cos A. So 2 sin A common, 2 sin A common. Here sin A plus cos A divided by 2 cos A common. Here 2 cos A common. That is what? 2 cos A plus sin A. So this cancel. 2 to cancel. This is equal to tan A, which is equal to RHS. Okay, this is question number 2. Now 3. And question number 4. This is question number 3. And question number 4 is what? Question number 4. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Left hand side this cos 7 alpha. Left hand side write this cos 7 alpha, cos 3 alpha. Cos 7 alpha plus cos 3 alpha minus cos 5 alpha minus cos alpha divide by sin 7 alpha minus sin 3 alpha minus sin 5 alpha minus here plus sin alpha. This is left hand side. We have to prove this is cot 3 alpha. जो 3 alpha अच्छी ताको किच्ची करी बने इटा सेम रखे दवा आ बाकी हमें सेट करियो पूरे 3 alpha टा सेम रहे बट काम करियो 3 alpha ना से उगुरियो तो cos के ता अच्छी 5 alpha को alpha हे बनियो cos 7 alpha राइट तो हमें 3 alpha टा को किच्ची करी बने हला 3 alpha इधर हमें इधर सीडी फॉर्मूला पकड़ो दिस इज cot 3 alpha और सीडी फॉर्मूला पकड़ले हे जो सीडी फॉर्मूला एदिटा पकड़ले हबो हां हे करियो ठीक अछि सीडी फॉर्मूला पकड़ा तो एडी कोन करबा cos 7 alpha plus what cos 3 alpha गोटे ये माइनस और कॉमन करबा cos 5 alpha plus cos alpha आ गोटे हबो सिमिलरली ये माइनस अछि so sin what 7 alpha minus sin 3 alpha गोटे ये माइनस और कॉमन करबा sin 5 alpha minus sin alpha आ गोटे cos c plus cos d फॉर्मूला कोन पकले सब cos c plus cos d फॉर्मूला कोन अछि cos c plus cos d is equal to what 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 sin c minus sin d फॉर्मूला कोन अछि मन पकलो sin c minus sin d फॉर्मूला मन 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 ए दुईटा फॉर्मूला यूज हबो सो this is equal to what 2 cos c plus d by 2 7 alpha plus 3 alpha by 2 this is 10 alpha by 2 5 alpha into cos c minus d by 2 cos 7 alpha minus 3 alpha by 2 7 alpha minus 3 alpha 4 alpha by 2 means cos 2 alpha minus cos c 7 4 or 5 alpha plus alpha 2 cos 6 cos 3 alpha and this is cos 4 alpha minus alpha by 2 cos 2 alpha by sin c minus sin d formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 2 cos 7 alpha plus 3 alpha by 2 that is cos 5 alpha and this is equal to what and cos 7 alpha this is sin 7 alpha minus 3 alpha by 2 7 alpha minus 3 alpha 4 alpha by 2 means 2 alpha Okay, then sin C minus sin D formula, same formula, 2 cos 5 alpha plus alpha by 2, that is 6 alpha by 2 sin, this is cos 3 alpha and 5 alpha minus alpha by 2, that is 2 alpha sin 2 alpha. ऊपर कौन कॉमन होची, this is 3 alpha here, okay, and this is 2 alpha cos 2 alpha common, you cos 2 alpha common, clear. So common what, 2 cos 2 alpha, 2 cos 2 alpha, here cos 5 alpha minus cos 3 alpha divided by 2 sin 2 alpha common, what is cos 5 alpha minus cos 3 alpha, so this cancel, this is equal to cot 2 alpha. So what is the question here, this is 3 alpha not 2 alpha, cot 2 alpha here, so arrange this. And last question is find dy by dx. Last question, sorry, this is another question. Last question is find, not find here, this is a plus b, given condition is, last question is not derivative, but it is trigonometry questions, and given a plus b plus c is equal to 5 and cos a is equal to cos b into cos c. What is to prove? To prove 10b plus 10c equal to 10a. Clear? So this is equal to what? This is equal to a plus b is equal to a plus b plus a equal to 5, b plus c is equal to what? B plus c is equal to, this is 5 minus a, so take both sides, sin b plus c is equal to sin 5 minus a, so this is equal to what? Sin b into cos c plus cos b into sin c, sin money divides, this is sin a, so divide both sides by cos a, divide both sides by cos a, so this is equal to what? Sin b cos c cos b sin c sin a by cos a, and this is cos a, okay, and this is cos a, but cos a is equal to cos b into cos c given, this is sin b into cos c by cos a, cos a means what? Cos b into cos c given, plus cos b into sin c into sin c, this is sin c, divided by cos a, cos a means what? Cos a means cos b into cos c, এটা দেইছি কোশ্চেন है ना, this is tan a, so cos c cancel, cos b cancel, so tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a, this is required to prove, okay. These are the problems related to the compound angle, multiple angle and some multiple angle, okay. In next class I will do another questions related to this type of problem. Thank you, have a nice day.